So welcome to my channel French with Deepika. This is part 3 of lesson 3. So let's get started. This is part 3 of lesson 3, La journée de Madame Lavigne. Okay. So we are going to continue with time. Okay. So quelle heure est-il? What time is it? So this we have already discussed in the previous video. So your midi is noon. A quart is when it is quarter past. Okay. Quarter past 15 minutes already हो चुके हैं ठीक है like we write 11 15 so your 15 is this एक अर्थ okay quarter past a demi is when you have like 10:30 आधा घंटा हो चुका है टाइम पास 10 o'clock हुए हुए okay 11:30 so this 30 is your demi okay a demi what is mua la carte when you write like 10:45 so 11 बजने में और 11 o'clock होने में what time is left 15 minutes are left okay so this is your mua la carte okay जो हम कहते हैं 11:15 हो गए हैं so 11:15 means what is पौने this quarter टू होने वाला है ठीक है so this is mua la carte now it is suppose it is given 1 o'clock okay so how you are supposed to write when someone asks you quelle heure est-il what time is it est-il is inversion is it what time is it so you are going to answer il est okay from the question only il est so il here is not he okay it is it so il est une heure okay why we have not written like this an heure because one is a why we have not written because heure is your feminine it is feminine so you have to write une feminine make it feminine il est une heure it is 1 o'clock okay next is 8 okay so how you have to write il est 8 heures we know we have already done numbers 8 is 8 heure and then you have to put s why because one and many concept you already know with one you don't have to write s but many as 8 is obviously more than one so you have to write s or it plural okay il est 8 heures il est 8 heures it is 8 o'clock okay now if it is 8:05 so how you have to say il est 8 heures and then 5 for minutes you have to write like this 5 okay 5 minutes you don't have to mention minutes so il est 8 heures 5 okay if it is 8:10 then il est 8 heures 10 okay so that's why I have done counting okay numbers so that you know these spellings il est 8 heures एक carte or il est 8 heures 15 so now when it is 15 so there are two ways to mention it either write it simply il est 8 heures 15 okay il est 8 heures 15 or for 15 there is a word एक carte so il est 8 heures and quarter past okay this one is understood so a carte is a fixed term okay you don't have to write il est 8 heures carte this is wrong you have to mention a so a carte is a term fixed term okay so il est 8 heures a carte it is 8 o'clock and quarter past okay so it is quarter past which we already know 15 minutes okay a for 8:20 il est 8 heures 20 20 is 20 so il est 8 heures 20 when it is 25 so it is il est 8 heures 25 so this is basically the numbers counting only okay for 30 if it is 30 so there is a term et demi okay so again there are two ways il est 8 heures et demi or simply il est 8 heures 30 both the ways are correct इले वीतर ए देमी मीन्स 8 बज के हाफ एन आवर और हो चुका है. So it is 8:30. Ile vitar e demi. Or simply, if you don't know the spelling or you have forgotten the term, you can simply write ile vitar 30 is front. Okay, so ile vitar front 8:30. For 35, 8:35. Il a, now there are two ways. So once you cross 30, either you can mention less than 25. Okay, so il a never. Why never? Why not with? Why not with? Okay, so 9 बजने में 25 मिनट्स और हैं. That's how you can mention. Or simply ile vitar Tronsang. 8 vitar is 8, Tronsang is 35. Either you write this or हम कहते हैं ना 9 बजने में 25 मिनट्स है. So कैसे बोलेंगे? 9 बजने में 25 मिनट्स है तो नफ इज 9. Okay, so it doesn't mean you have to write like this. This will be wrong. It is not 9:25, it is 8:35. So ile never mua. Mua means less. Less than 25. So if you minus 25 from 60, it will be 35. So 8:35. Okay, this is bit complicated. So अगर 8 लिखा है तो उसका आगे वाला नंबर लो. If you have to mention mua. So आगे का नंबर क्या है? आफ्टर 8 इट इज 9. सो इले नवर. देन यू हैव टू राइट मुआ वैनसैंग कि 60 होने में कितने और लेस है नंबर्स? 25. सो लेस 25. इले नवर मुआ वैनसैंग. सो सिंपली यू कैन राइट दिस वन. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज 8:40. ओके, 8:40 अगेन देयर आर two ways. I told you once you cross 30 you can write it in two ways. Either write the next number in hours and then mention the remaining number, remaining minutes. Okay, or simply write the counting like il a vitar 40 is 40. So il a vitar 40. Vit is 8, 40 is 40. So this is the obviously easier way to write it. If you have to mention this one using mua, so take the next number. 8 के बाद क्या बचेगा? 9. Okay, so take the next number which is 9. So write il a never. Okay, il a never. And then 60 में से 40 minus करो, it will be 20. So mua वै. Okay, got it? il a never mua वै. 9 बजने में 20 minutes कम है और 8:40. Got it? This is how you can write. Now next is 8:45. For 45 there is a term mua la kart. Mua la kart. Okay, not a kart, it is mua la kart. मतलब less than 15 minutes. Okay, quarter is 15 का gap, right? So ile next 8 का पहले next number will be 9. Ile never. And then for 45 there is the fixed term mua la kart. So ile never mua la kart or il a vitar trois quarts 3 times quarter. This we cannot write. Don't write this one. Okay. Next you can write il a vitar 45. Normal spelling. Okay. Il a vitar 45, which is 8:45. 45 is your 45. So you should know the spellings. You should know 45 को क्या कहते हैं, 50 को क्या कहते हैं to write this one. Okay. Il a vitar 45. Okay. Next is 8:50. Il a never muadis. Okay, so 60 में minus if you do 50 which is 10. Okay, so 9 बजने में 10 मिनट कम है और 8:50. So for 8:50 you can write il a vitar 50. 50 is your 50. Okay, and for the other part you can say il a never muadis. मतलब 9 बजने में 10 मिनट कम है which is 8:50. Okay. For 8:55 again 5 minutes are less, so you can say il a never mua sang. 9 बजने में 5 मिनट कम है 8:55. और il a vitar 55 which is 55. Got it? With is this il a vitar 55 or il a never mua sang. Got it? Now if it is 9, so simple il a never. Il a never. Got it? Now for 12 afternoon, it is il-e midi. Okay, il-e midi, it is noon. Okay, but when it is 12 at night, so it will be il-e minuit. Il-e minuit. Okay, this is midnight. Il-e midi, il-e minuit, it is midnight. Okay, now points to remember is the word a, which is and, is used only with qua, karth, a, demi. It is only used with karth, a, demi. Okay, a karth, and then your a demi. Okay, to express time before the hour. Like if it is given 8:35. Okay, so you have to express the time before the hour, and but you have to write in 9. But अभी तो 9 नहीं हुए हैं, so you have to mention mua. Mua is used like never, mua, throw a vasang, right? Okay, so this is your 8:35. Mua vasang. Okay. Now, if you have to tell time in French, the familiar style is like suppose it is 8 a.m. So they don't mention a.m. or p.m. Okay, how they do it? They say il est 8 heures du matin. Mata is morning. Okay, soir is evening. So they will say il est 8 heures du matin. It is 8 a.m. Okay. For p.m. they say il est 8 heures du soir. It is 8 p.m. Il est 8 heures du matin. It is 8 a.m. It is 8 p.m. Okay. And suppose if they have to answer it in afternoons, suppose it is 1 p.m. So they will say il est une heure de l'après-midi. L'après-midi is your afternoon. Okay. After midi. Midi is your 12. So after midi. After noon. After 12. Okay. So il est une heure de l'après-midi. Okay. In public announcement, when they use 24-hour clock for timetables, or if there is any announcement, they use 24-hour clock. Okay. So now suppose if it is 15 hour. 15 hour is what? It is 3 p.m. Okay, so they will write il est 15 heures. 15 hour is hour. So 15 hour is what? 3 p.m. Il est 15 heures. So 15 is 15, hour is hour. Okay. If it is 22 or 30, so how they write il est 22 heures. 22 heures, simple counting 22 heures, then trente, or in place of trente you can write a demi. Okay, 22 heures trente or 22 heures a demi. Got it? So 22 or 30 is there, 10:30. Now the abbreviation for hour is this H. Abbreviation is, short form is for hour is H. Okay. Okay, now so there are some examples. If someone asks you the time, how you have to respond. Demander, leur, répondre. Répondre is respond. Demander is to ask the time. Okay. Demander is to ask the time, and répondre is respond. Okay, first is quelle heure est-il? Okay, quelle heure est-il is what time is it? So you have to answer using this. Il est anytime 3 heures. It is 3 o'clock. Okay, il est 3 heures. Il est 3 heures. Next question is il est quelle heure? You can also ask like this. Il est quelle heure? Without the inversion of the verb. Il est quelle heure? What time it is? So answer will be il est 3 heures. Okay. Answer will be il est 3 heures, and there are two ways to ask the question about the time. Quelle heure est-il or il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? Il est 3 heures. Okay. So now if you have to ask, someone is asking tu pars à quelle heure? You leave at what time? Why quelle is in feminine? Because heure is feminine. So this is feminine, this is feminine. Tu pars à quelle heure? You leave at what time? Okay. Or what time you are leaving at. So je pars a cinq heures. Je pars. Someone has asked you the question, so you have to use, obviously, you, first person. Je pars à 5 heures. I am leaving at 5 o'clock. Okay. Je pars à 5 heures. 5 is 5. Heure is hours. Okay. Next is à quelle heure est le cinéma? At what time is the movie? Okay. Here is the verb être, right? A quelle heure est le cinéma? At what time is the movie? So your answer will be the movie is at 8 p.m. or a.m. whatever. So la cinéma est the 8 heures. The movie is at 8 p.m. Okay, or 8 a.m. It is not mentioned. Soir or mata. Okay. So la cinéma est the 8 heures. Okay. So this is how you ask the question about the time. If you have to simply ask the time, just ask quelle heure est-elle or elle est quelle heure. Okay, and if you have some questions like at what time you are leaving, what time is the movie, or what time you do your dinner, so you can use these type of formations. Tu pars à quelle heure or à quelle heure est le cinéma? So you have to answer accordingly. If they are asking about cinema, or when are you leaving, or when do you have your dinner, so you have to answer accordingly. Okay. So that's it for today. We'll continue with time in the next video. Till then, bonne journée. Au revoir.